So this is the Summon on the Air kit that I take, Parks on the Air kit, and general purpose hilltopping kit for radio work that I use. Let's go ahead and start with the backpack over here. Over here we can see the London Bridge Trading radio patch that I use for the yaesu FT1D. That's a Marine Assault Pack ILBE system. We have the Camillus full tank knife, a saw pouch mounted to a thigh rig platform, which houses the medical and Scout SOL survival kit. Over here we have waterproof jacket, extra pair of socks, Umbro windbreaker, and the dry sack that it fits into. Moving along, we have a notepad for taking down call signs and logging. We have a 1 liter platypus bottle and a stainless steel GSI cup. And then we have the first aid and Scout SOL survival kit, along with 50-foot length of paracord. We also have a map pack here. And then moving over, we have a bug net, which is pretty good in the summertime on your head. A hammock for hanging out and relaxing. We have hand sanitizer. We also have a handkerchief and lighter in a Ziploc bag, and TP. On this corner, we have Z-Lite Thermarest seat, which is essential for operating on the rocks so you don't get too tired. And then we have the Vanquest ftim 6x9 Generation 2 pouch mounted to an hsgi thigh rig platform. It's my EDC all-purpose bag that goes inside the kit. And a bit of more redundancy, which I don't have to have with the kit, but this is a Goal Zero Nomad 7 Plus system with the USB AA battery bank in the back. In the center here, we also have the Warrior Assault System wrist pouch, which houses the maps that I'm using for the duration of the activation or the area. I can interchange that back and forth. And then finally, we have the radio kit here with all the components. We have a Maxpedition Neat Freak with the external battery, solar power film solar panel inside, the elements for the antenna, the Xiegu X5105, and the 49-to-1 Unknown, and the charging cables in the side pouch attached to the satchel here. And that's the Maxpedition Neat Freak satchel. And then over here we have the yaesu FT1DR for the aperture activation, dual band HT, and 20-meter length of wire, 14 gauge. And that is the, well, it's a 4-season pack, but I can cut down on weight by getting rid of some redundancies in the pack. But I do have a lighter pack for summertime and for a shorter duration. We'll get to that in a moment. Okay, so this is what everything looks like when it's packed up. This is the lightweight kit for Summon on the Air, Parks on the Air, and hilltopping for my ham radio adventures. Looking at the first pack here is the Maxpedition Proteus Versipak. I did a video review on this on my channel earlier this year, so you can check that out and see what I carry inside of it. On the side here I have an extra pouch I put for the FT1DR, or an extra water bottle. On the top left area, we have the Source Rider 3L kit, which houses a medical kit here on the MOLLE attachment system here, and an admin pack on the MOLLE attachment system here. On the right, we have the Z-Lite Thermarest seat. On the left, I have a dump pouch for extra storage if I need it. And then moving over to the Maxpedition Neat Freak that houses the actual HF kit, the Xiegu X5105. And then I also have, for maps, my wrist kit here. So that's the Warrior Assault wrist pouch system, and the yaesu FT1DR. So that is the lightweight Summon on the Air kit.